Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching The Right Stand. I'm Akanksha Swaroop. Bihar's Danapur arrived to a screeching halt. This as RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav hit the campaign trail for the first time in the run-up to Bihar's election. The optics, JCBs, showering flowers, women coming out of their homes with garlands and scores flocking to the windows for a selfie. The Rashtriya Janata Dal patriarch was campaigning for Ritlal Yadav. Interestingly, Yadav is the RJD candidate in jail, that too in an extortion case. Up against Ritlal is Ram Kripal Yadav, a former close associate of Lalu who joined the BJP. And why only Danapur? Bihar's Mokama has become yet another flashpoint for the state's gangster politicians. This after last week's murder of Jan Swaraj Party supporter Dular Chand Yadav. And even though the arrested accused Anant Singh is a JDU candidate, the party is already crying foul, calling it a political conspiracy by the RJD. With a firm counter FIR from JDU's Anant Singh against his RJD rival Suraj Bhan Singh. Both Anant and Suraj Bhan are known as Bahubalis in this area, with both looking to control Mokama. RJD's love for Katta, Krurta and Kushasan has continued in Lalganj too. Why? Shivani, daughter of the jailed former strongman Munna Shukla, is contesting as one of RJD's young female candidates. This, however, is not surprising, given Lalu Yadav has built much of his political empire on caste and crime. In fact, the higher the criminal records, the better the prospect of getting a ticket from the RJD. And who can forget Mohammad Shahabuddin, the Bahubali Mafia from the Siwan constituency. He had over 40 criminal cases, including murder and kidnapping against him. But his crimes and terror did not deter Lalu Yadav's steadfast support all the way from the 1990s throughout the 2000s. So from NDA's Jungle Raj charge to political violence in Mokama, will Biharis vote for a Viksit Bihar this year? And who will ensure that Viksit Bihar? That's a question we'll be posing to our guests in just a bit.
हमने बिहार विधानसभा में भी सरकार से कई बार हम लोगों ने मांग की, ओपीएस, ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम, हमारी सरकार बनेगी तो ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम जो है लागू किया जाएगा।
15 साल तक लालू राबड़ी यहाँ पर मुख्यमंत्री बने, दरभंगा के लिए क्या करा? दरभंगा के विकास के लिए उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया।
पर ये चिंता का विषय जरूर रहा है। देखिए, कानून सबके लिए एक बराबर है और एक बराबर होना भी चाहिए। आपने स्वास्थ्य की चिंताओं को जाहिर करते हुए आप बाहर हैं, ऐसे में कभी आप परिवार के साथ घूमने निकल जाते हैं। जिस विषय को आपने आधार बनाया, कानून की धाराओं का दुरुपयोग करना भी अपने में एक अपराध है।
All right, let me introduce my esteemed panelists today. I'm joined by Mayank Mohli, who's the spokesperson for Bihar BJP, Karuna Sagar, who's the spokesperson for Bihar Congress. Many thanks to you, gentlemen, for joining in. Mayank ji, if I could begin with you, what is the problem if Lalu Yadav is campaigning even though out on bail when the constitution permits him to do so? As Tejashwi Yadav had earlier reacted to CBI's arguments saying that they have a problem if he's playing badminton, they have a problem if he's eating and meeting people, what's the harm?
मैम, इट्स एन आयरनी बिकॉज आप देखेंगी अगर तो लालू प्रसाद यादव जी को जो बेल ग्रांट हुई है वो हेल्थ ग्राउंड पे ग्रांट हुई है, और जो बेल ग्रांट करते समय जो कंडीशंस दी गई थी वो ये था, जहां तक आपको याद होगा, कि वो किसी भी पॉलिटिकल रैली नहीं करेंगे, कोई पॉलिटिकल बयानबाजी नहीं करेंगे और ना ही किसी पॉलिटिकल कैंपेन में जाएंगे। दो वो चुनाव लड़ने से तो पहले ही लगभग 10-12 साल पहले ही बार्ड किए जा चुके हैं। तो उस पे भी मैम 2 धाराएं बनती हैं लालू प्रसाद यादव जी के ऊपर। अंडर सेक्शन 480 ऑफ बीएनएस ट्रायल कोर्ट कैन रिवोक द बेल, और जो उससे ऊपर जो अथॉरिटी है जैसे हाई कोर्ट है वो अंडर सेक्शन 483 एंड सब क्लॉज 3, जो हाई कोर्ट और जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट है वो उनकी बेल को रिवोक कर सकता है, बिकॉज ये सीरियस ये चार्जेस बनते हैं उसके ऊपर। बिकॉज आपने बेल ली है हेल्थ ग्राउंड पे, आप हेलोइन मनाते दिख जाते हैं, 2 आपको जब पूछा जाता है कि कुंभ के बारे में तो आप उसको फालतू बताते हैं। राहुल गांधी जी छठ का अपमान करते हैं ये बोल करके कि वो ड्रामा है। और आप हेलोइन मनाते हैं, आप आइसक्रीम खाते हैं, आप बैडमिंटन खेलते दिखाए जाते हैं, दो ही इज मेंटोर्स लाइफ के जब उनकी रेगुलर लाइफ में वो ये सारी
You're
चीजें कर रहे होते
perfectly
हैं।
under your rights to approach the court. Why not approach the court then?
Ma'am, I would like to ask court to take a suo moto action and the concerned agencies as well कि लालू प्रसाद यादव जी is playing a double game because on health ground he is out, और उसके बाद जो वो कर रहे हैं वो सारी चीजें मैम गलत हैं, क्योंकि एक मैंने जो आदमी ऑलरेडी कन्विक्टेड है, हम सबको पता है, और एक और मामले में 10 तारीख को IRCTC वाले में उनके ऊपर केस जो चल रहा है वो आगे ट्रायल उस पर भी प्रोसीड करने वाला है, जिसमें कि पूरा परिवार बेल पर रहा है। और सबसे आयरनी देखिए कि जिस पार्टी के वो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं वो खुद कहिए कन्विक्टेड हैं, उसके बाद से उनका पूरा परिवार बेल पर रहा है, इंक्लूडिंग इनके चीफ मिनिस्टरियल कैंडिडेट तेजस्वी यादव जी हो, राबड़ी देवी जी हो, इनकी बहनें हो, इनके जीजा जी हो, सारे के सारे के ऊपर लार्ज करप्शन चार्जेस हैं, उसके बाद ये बेल पर यहाँ है। और जिसके लिए ये प्रचार करने गए हैं वो लिटरली वो दुर्दांत अपराधी है जो कि जेल में बंद है, और उसके लिए आप प्रचार कर रहे हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात कि आप कोर्ट की अवमानना है, एक तरीके से आपको जो ग्राउंड्स मिले हैं आप उन ग्राउंड्स का दुरुपयोग कर रहे हैं। जैसे
Okay, thank you for setting up the tone and tenor for this debate. I'm going to
Yes.
quickly bring in Pankaj. In fact, before I go to Karuna Sagar, let me quickly bring in Pankaj Sharma, senior journalist who's also just joined in. Pankaj Sharma, how do you respond to the attacks coming in from not just the Bharatiya Janata Party but all of NDA, that the entire Yadav Parivar is out on bail, and what explains the kind of campaigning we've seen, especially coming in from Lalu Yadav when he's also out on bail? Not to forget, why is he even supporting criminals like Ritlal Yadav?
The law is taking its course. Let the law take its course. Elections are a different thing. Bihar election this time has its unprecedented dimensions. Narendra Bhai Modi and Amit Bhai Shah are extremely desperate to form NDA government at any cost. That is why all this halla bol against Lalu Yadav and his
What
family.
beats me, Pankaj, is who is more desperate? If you are seeking the support and launching criminals as candidates, is that not desperation?
No, if there are criminal candidates, let Election Commission take action. Let other agencies take action. If they are the candidates, who support is a different thing. There are candidates in JDU who have a criminal background. BJP wants to win this election at any cost, means by using every fair, unfair means. Because this election is going to decide the fate of 5 states that will be going in elections next year, including Bengal, Assam and Tamil Nadu. That is the thing. BJP's defeat in Bihar will damage its chances in Assam, Bengal and ruin its dream of making roots in Tamil Nadu.
Mayank Molye, would you like to respond to that you are standing on shaky grounds and you have nothing to defend your case right now, which is why you're raking up the criminal history of all of these candidates?
Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav as well as all Mahagathbandhan is out from power last 2 decades. क्यों उन बाहर है सारे लोग? बिकॉज इनके जितने प्रोपेगेंडा हैं उनको बिहार की जनता बाई नहीं करती है। और मैं सर की बातों से पूरी तरीके से सहमत नहीं हूं कि बिकॉज कि हमको कोई शेकी ग्राउंड से बिल्कुल नहीं है। आप जाके ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट देखिए कि जनता क्या करी। इनके यहाँ तो सेकंड फेज ऑफ जब नॉमिनेशन जब के लास्ट डेट तक भी अभी डिसाइड नहीं था कि कौन सी सीटों पे, अभी तक हमने लिस्ट नहीं देखी है कि कौन सी पार्टी कितनी सीटें पे आ रही है।
The election commission should have intervened.
यस वो मैं तो बिल्कुल मैं अपने से भी अपील करूंगा और कंसर्न एजेंसीज को भी मैं अपील करना चाहूंगा, और आगे हम लोग उस पर एक्शन लेना जरूर चाहेंगे, वो आगे का ड्यू कोर्स है। बट सिंपल मुझे ये बताइए ना कि अपना खुद का कंसेंसस आपको कैसे अलाउ करता है कि जब आपने हेल्थ ग्राउंड पे बेल ले रखी है, आप सो कॉल्ड बीमार भी हैं, अगर आप मैं चलिए वो पॉलिटिकल एंगल हटा भी देता हूँ, आपकी दोनों किडनीज का ट्रांसप्लांट हो रखा है, आप उसके बाद भी बाहर जा रहे हैं, लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, और आपको आज नहीं ये 2013 में जब से बेल पे रिहा है तब से इनके ऊपर कंडीशंस हैं कि इनको बयान तक देने पे मना है, लेकिन वो कोई बातें मान नहीं रहे हैं, वो अपना आगे घूम रहे हैं। दूसरी बात आयरनी देखिए कि बेटे ने जो कि जिसने अपने आप को चीफ मिनिस्टरियल कैंडिडेट घोषित कराया है, बाइक्रू का जैसे पीएम ने कहा कि कट्टे के नोक पे, तो उसने आप माई बाप की पार्टी जो वो अपने आप को क्लेम करते हैं उसमें से अपने माई और बाप दोनों की तस्वीरें उन्होंने हटा रखी हैं। तो शायद ये लालू प्रसाद यादव जी का डेस्परेशन होगा कि वो ऑन ग्राउंड आकर के दिखाना चाहते हैं कि आई एम स्टिल अलाइव इन एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स, जो कि वो नहीं है, वो बार्ड है, और उसको लेकर के चल रहे हैं। जैसे हम कह पा रहे हैं इनके घर में, इनके अपने घर में जो सत्ता का सेमीफाइनल चल रहा है, इनके तेजस्वी यादव जी जो हैं वो मेरे हिसाब से तो राजनीतिक रूप से औरंगजेब की राह निकल पड़े हैं और पिता को शाहजहां बना के एक व्हील चेयर पे उन्होंने कन्फाइन कर
All
रखा
right,
है।
let me quickly bring in the JDU spokesperson, also Sanjay Kumar, who's joining us. But before I do that, I want to quickly bring in Karuna Sagar, who's a spokesperson of Bihar Congress. Mr. Karuna Sagar, thank you for your patience. I want to quickly bring you in on the aspect of Rahul Gandhi's support to a party like RJD for supporting criminals. That's now being raked up by particularly the BJP. The Union Home Minister has raked up the 2013 incident when Rahul Gandhi tore up that ordinance. How do you respond to Congress party being levelled as a supporter of this Jungle Raj today?
Thank you, Akanksha. Good evening to you, to all your viewers, and to my fellow panelists. Akanksha, today Bihar faces not just a governance crisis, but a colossal scam that shakes the very core of transparency. A rupees 62,000 crore fraud in the power department revealed by nobody else but the former power minister in Modi cabinet, Mr. R.K. Singh. While the so-called Ghotala Raj rages on, the BJP Nitish coalition shamelessly continues its deception. This false Sushasan is a grand illusion, masking massive loot. Bihar's power, money and future are being stolen right before our eyes, and it's time for the voters to wake up to what has been happening in
Mr.
Bihar.
Karuna Sagar, do you think by
I
supporting
think-
a party like RJD, you will be able to bring that, you will be able to replace what you are saying is Kushasan under the NDA regime in Bihar? You will be able to replace that with Sushasan by having these candidates who have a criminal history. RJD is already infamous for having supported somebody like Shahabuddin. Today we see that actively being again brought back to public memory by the support that Ritlal Yadav is receiving.
Akanksha, you have not heard the name of Anant Singh.
Yes, I
You
have,
have not
and
heard
we
the-
have the JDU spokesperson who I will be
wait,
asking about.
Wait. Let me complete. You asked me, so let me respond. You have not heard the name of Sunil Pandey.
No,
You
I
have not-
have.
You have heard that. You have heard the name of Anand Mohan Singh. So there has been a battery of Bahubalis in Bihar who have actually been fighting on the NDA ticket. So, and yesterday, Lalan Singh, who is a cabinet minister in Modi cabinet, goes to Mokama, not only asks votes for Anand Singh, but he threatens that let nobody who votes against Anand Singh come out of the house, let the opposition candidate not able to come out of the house. And this is a cabinet minister speaking in Mokama. And
Fair
the same,
enough. That's a very valid question. That's a very valid question.
Akansha, just 5 seconds. And same Anand Singh was in jail in 2024 parliament election when Lalan Singh was fighting Munger parliament election from the JDU, and he was brought on parole, and just to bring in the mafiosi element.
All right, let me quickly bring
the
in
election.
Sanjay Kumar on that note, the spokesperson of the GDU. I'd like you to you respond to that charge that's coming in. Many are asking the question, why should somebody like Anand Singh even be defended on ground? Why not just steer clear of his name? This is something that could have also worked in JDU's favor, given that the accused has been arrested. But still, calling it a political conspiracy, still asking for votes in his name. Sanjay Kumar, does that bode well for the JDU and the NDA overall?
I think, Akansha, first of all, my apologies for joining late. So I missed the initial part. But while hearing Mr. Karuna Sagar ji and your question, he did not ask your question, but I am going to ask your question definitely. He did not tell you how much Congress is comfortable, about all the candidates of RJD. They are not Nelson Mandela or they don't have that much good name either. like Ritlal Yadav and many other names. I can give you many names. But coming to Anant Kumar, Anant Singh's episode, you have to look at it in two different manner. One was that, he was accused. Police, filed FIR. There were FIRs against him. He also filed FIR. So police is still investigating the case. But he, that is the difference. That is the basic difference between the Jungle Raj and the Sushashan of Mr. Nitish Kumar. He neither interferes nor protects anyone. So, our government, and at this point of time, we cannot do so even. And even during the normal times, Mr. Nitish Kumar never protected any such crime or criminals. So Anant Singh is fighting election under the, whatever law provides. It's not that, there are candidates with criminal cases and they are only Anant Singh is, fighting election. There are candidates in every party, who have some sort of criminal records. Even Mr. Tejasvi Yadav has 21 economic and other offences against him. So he has serious charges, in the court. So forget about that. So one thing is that when he was accused, when a police came, nobody stopped. He followed the rule of law and went into the jail. The second part is the political, he got ticket from JDU. Nobody can deny that. And since he is fighting election, he is in the jail. Anant Singh, Mr. Lalan Singh is the MP of that area. Being MP of that area, he has taken charge of that area to campaign. And he is now campaigning for Anant Singh in the area, being MP of the party. So that is a political thing, and if there is a candidate.
Mayank Moli, the same question can be raised to the Bharatiya Janata Party as is being raised to the Congress Party, that if you're supporting a party of criminals like the RJD, why not at least call out Lalan Singh for asking for a vote in the name of Anant Singh?
Ma'am, trial is different thing and conviction is very different. So it's in law we say that innocent unless proven guilty. So Mr. Anant Singh is facing the trial and the conviction is yet to be done. और रही बात जहां लालू प्रसाद यादव जी की, तो लालू प्रसाद यादव जी सर्टिफाइड कन्विक्टेड केस में हैं अपने, और बाकी में भी उनका कन्विक्शन ऑलमोस्ट होने को है. तो उस पे मैम मैं वही कहूँगा कि हाँ ठीक है, क्रिमिनलाइजेशन जो है वो नहीं होना चाहिए, उसके बीजेपी जो है सख्त खिलाफ है. बट अलायंस पार्टनर की कोई मजबूरी रही होगी, उस पर मैं कमेंट नहीं करना चाहूँगा. लेकिन रही बात मेरी, हम अपने पार्टी की अगर बात करें तो यस, हमने कैंडिडेट्स को बिल्कुल देखा है. और जब तक कि कन्विक्शन नहीं हो जाता है, अगर कोर्ट और चुनाव आयोग अगर चुनाव लड़ने की अनुमति देता है, तो ही हैज़ ऑल द राइट टू फाइट. जो वो कर रहे हैं, जो इंसिडेंटली लालू प्रसाद यादव जी के पास नहीं है, क्योंकि उन्हें चुनाव लड़ने से उनके ऊपर पाबंदी लगी रखी है, उन्हें चुनावी बयान देने से आपत्ति, उनके ऊपर कोर्ट में रोक लगा रखी है. और जो ये अभी प्रचार कर रहे हैं, जो वायलेशन कर रहे हैं अपने बेल का, उसके ऊपर भी जैसा मैंने पहले भी कहा कि उस पर ऑब्जेक्शन होना चाहिए अंडर सेक्शन 483 सब क्लॉज 3 पे. तो वो जरूरी है, बिकॉज लालू प्रसाद यादव जी जो मैसेजिंग दे रहे हैं, जो कोर्ट का माखौल उड़ा रहे हैं, अपने बेल ग्राउंड्स का जो कहीं मजाक बना रहे हैं, वो गलत है.
Pankaj Sharma, would you like to respond to that?
He is saying कि allied partner की मजबूरियां रही होंगी. What about BJP? BJP 48 BJP candidates have serious criminal charges. 57 JDU candidates having very serious criminal charges. So
सर, राजद के टाइम में आपको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा? राजद और कांग्रेस वाले सीएम कैंडिडेट जो हैं वो खुद चार्जेस झेल रहे हैं.
Tell us something about them. 48 in BJP.
आपने देखा, आपने आरजेडी के चीफ मिनिस्टर कैंडिडेट का ट्रायल देखा है? आपने उनका देखा है?
RJD candidates have criminal charges, yes.
No, his poster boy is already facing legal complications. Have you seen?
Okay, I want to bring in Karuna Sagar. Karuna Sagar, before you come up with a rebuttal, to the charges coming in from the Bihar BJP spokesperson. I also want to ask you one critical thing. Yesterday we had great optics, playing up Rahul Gandhi taking a dip in the muddy waters of Begusarai, saying that's his way of extending support to the farmers. But it is these very farmers who were robbed of their rights when the animal husbandry scam happened. And you are today extending support to that very party for which Lalu Prasad Yadav has been convicted.
Akanksha, the difference between Rahul Gandhi and the Prime Minister Modi is that Rahul Gandhi took a dip in the natural pond which is available there, not like the Prime Minister who takes glorified water and makes a pond next to the Yamuna River to showcase during the Chhath festival.
Why are we diluting the topic of discussion? Let's talk about what has been done for the farmers of Bihar by your government
Let me tell you
by
that.
the RJD.
See, same Prime Minister, the farmers were sitting on the Delhi borders for 1 year. More than 700 farmers died because of the 3 black laws which
talk
BJP
about
was
Bihar,
refusing
please.
to withdraw. And finally, under pressure of
Let's
the
talk
farmers
about Bihar.
and the pressure of the
Karuna Sagar, let's talk
opposition,
about the
they were
farmers
forced
of
to take
Bihar.
back.
Where are the promises? Today, the Bharatiya Janata Party is very much tom-tomming that they have all of these schemes over there to their credit. What was brought to Bihar by the RJD or by the Mahagathbandhan so-called?
You tell me, Akanksha, today, if you see Niti Aayog report, in every human development index, Bihar is either 27 or 28 in the larger states. Whether it's per capita income, Bihar's per capita income is 1/3 of the national average. The
But
sex
it went up
ratio
to-
is the
it went-
lowest. Just a minute, I didn't disturb you. The sex ratio at 891 is the lowest in the country. The per capita investment is the lowest in the country, and the poverty,
Okay.
the largest number
I just
of
want,
who are
I'm very
living-
curious
live
to
in
find
Bihar.
out, Karuna Sagar, today the BJP says that at least through the double engine ki sarkar model, they were able to ensure that the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, the Ujjwala Yojana and the Kisan Samman Yojana are about to reach, are able to reach the people of Bihar.
Akanksha, that's
But
precisely
if the
what I'm saying.
Mahagathbandhan were to come, they will in fact
And then women's
devour all the
Akanksha,
money
that's what-
sent out by
that's
the
what I'm
centre
saying.
will be
You-
consumed. How do you counter that
Akanksha,
allegation?
Akanksha, please travel to the countryside in Bihar and talk to the people, see their condition, see the pathetic condition that the women still live in. Bihar has the lowest literacy among the women. In the rural areas, it's 29.6, and in the urban areas, it's 55, which is the lowest in the country. So after tom-tomming so much about women development empowerment, you have the
How
women
will you get
basically working in the
15
informal
lakh
sector.
crore rupees then? How will you get 15 lakh crore rupees, Karuna Sagar, if you were to be taken to power in Bihar? How will you gather that 15 lakh crore rupees? The BJP or the NDA has rather very realistically quoted a figure of 10,000 crore rupees, but the Mahagathbandhan under Tejashwi Yadav has quoted 15 lakh crore rupees. How will you get that? These are unrealistic lofty promises.
I tell you, Akanksha, again, it's a matter of willpower. You see, when the Home Minister Amit Shah came to Bihar and the question was asked why there is no industrialization in Bihar, he said there is no land available. But in 1 rupee, Adani was given 1,050 acres to put up a thermal power station.
Okay.
Now they have promised that every district there will be industrial cluster. Now tell me, if there is no land, where the hell you are going to make the industrial
All right,
clusters?
I'm going to quickly give closing thoughts to Mayank Molia. On that note, Mayank Molia, would you like to respond to that allegation?
Yes.
Which has today given much fodder to the Mahagathbandhan, particularly the RJD, that how can the Union Home Minister himself say there was no land available in Bihar for industries to be set up? How will you be able to convince the people of Bihar today that you will continue with this Sushasan that you so tom-tom about?
Let me enlighten the thoughts of my fellow panelists. Bihar has got more than 3 lakhs crores of FDI in the last 1.5 financial year, and more than like 1.75 lakh crore MOUs have been signed, and they are already working out on the grounds. We have TCS coming in, we have Zara, we have PepsiCo, we have Van Heusen, and we
Akanksha,
have
I need
Adani
5
Power.
seconds.
Okay.
Don't interrupt, sir. Don't interrupt. So, जो ये प्रोपेगेंडा वॉर जो चल रही है ना कि बेवजह हमने कुछ नहीं किया तो सर ये रहा 20 साल का
I'm
हमारा
running short of
report card.
time. Quickly, I want to ask my last question. No, I've given you gentlemen ample time. Let's respect the time for
One
others.
IT park, one textile park, one SEZ. So when
Okay,
Prime Minister
Sanjay
comes
Kumar,
here, he
does it
offers
not
Katta
bother the
here.
JDU that even when Amit Shah has said that this is an election which is being fought under the initiative of Mr. Nitish Kumar, yet he's not been declared as the chief ministerial face, as
he clearly
Tejashwi
said-
Yadav was by the Mahagathbandhan? No, why not have a press conference just like Tejashwi Yadav was presented
Why do you need
as
to have
the
a press
poster boy,
conference?
quite literally, even in their posters? Why not have Nitish Kumar then? Perhaps that is also something that may act against the NDA today, the lack of
There
a
is-
chief ministerial face. Or is it the lack of faith in Nitish Kumar today that has averted, say, the Home Minister or even the BJP from very confidently saying that yes, it will be Nitish Kumar who will be our chief minister if we win?
See, like you said that, is there a lack of faith in Nitish Kumar? To tell you the truth, and we all know this for fact, the entire state knows that the NDA is banking upon the work which has been done by the NDA government led by Nitish Kumar. So there is no lack of faith in Nitish Kumar. This is the first election where there is pro-incumbency. And I'm telling you, we will get
Exactly.
more seats than ever,
All right.
And that is one
Akanksha,
part.
can I comment?
Second part is that Mr. Amit Shah, Mr. Rudy, Mr. Samrat Chaudhary, like so many leaders have repeatedly said that Nitish Kumar was the chief minister.
All right, I'm
Nitish
running
Kumar-
short of time.
Ma'am, there
Kumar
is
will
no
be the chief
vacancy
minister.
for
Akanksha,
CM and PM.
There is no
Akanksha, 10
vacancy.
minutes.
Okay, Krishna
There is no
Sagar, I give
vacancy.
you 10 seconds. Krishna Sagar.
10 seconds. Akanksha, the Prime Minister came for a road show in Patna. In the entire 2.8 kilometers of the road show, there was not a single cutout of Nitish Kumar. Nitish Kumar did not even accompany him. And now Lalan Singh, his own party colleague, says that the chief minister will be decided by the MLAs after the election is over. So that is the thing. It's a Maharashtra model.
Okay,
are going to
okay.
do
So
an
if they do not
ethnic
have a
thing,
chief
they are
ministerial
going to
face,
do
the
a
Mahagathbandhan
Chauhan.
certainly has to fight very hard as far as the Jungle Raj charge is concerned, because they are actively campaigning for criminals. Will they be able to get away with it? We shall know in the days ahead. Many thanks to you, gentlemen, for joining in on this very interesting discussion. With that, let's shift focus over to the other big story. We'll